Are you guys tired of lugging around the same old camping gear on your trips? Well, I have something that will knock your socks off. Yes, today we're going to see some of the best camping products and gadgets that will make your next camping trip unforgettable. So I'm talking about gear that is so good that they'll make you forget all about your ex's terrible snoring. Yes, we've got everything from portable cooler makers to 3-in-1 sleeping bags, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. So, shall we begin? Number 10. The Matador Nano Dry Towel. Now, this is not your ordinary towel. This is the perfect tool for all outdoor enthusiasts. It's super lightweight, compact, and completely absorbent. Trust me, you won't even know it's in your backpack until you need it. The Matador Nano Dry Towel is made of nanofiber material, which makes it not only super absorbent but also quick drying. No more damp towels in your backpack that take forever to dry out. Plus, its antimicrobial coating helps keep the towel fresh and clean even after multiple uses. But wait, there's more. The Nano Dry Towel also comes with a silicone case that makes it easy to pack and store, which makes it perfect for those on-the-go moments when you need to quickly dry off after a dip in the lake or a sweaty hike. And trust me, this towel might be small but powerful. It'll change the way you think about camping essentials. So, say goodbye to those bulky towels. Number 9. Hest Sleep System. Let me tell you, this gadget is the real deal. It's not just innovative, but it's also incredibly easy to use. The Hest Sleep System is designed to fit perfectly into your tent and provide you with the best sleeping experience you've ever had while camping. One of the things I love about this system is that it's totally customizable. You can adjust the temperature, firmness, and even the texture of your sleeping surface. So say goodbye to those uncomfortable rocks and twigs poking you in the back all night long. Want to know the best part? You don't have to sacrifice mobility for comfort. This sleep system is lightweight and easy to pack, so you can bring it with you on all of your camping adventures. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up feeling more refreshed and energized after a great night's sleep in the great outdoors? Number 8. 66 Degree North x Hempy Planet The Cave XL 4-Season Tent. Have you ever been on a camping trip and struggled with setting up your tent in less than ideal conditions? Well, this tent here is going to take care of that. It's made with durable and weather-resistant materials, so you don't have to worry about getting soaked in a sudden downpour or blown away in a gusty storm. Plus, it's super spacious, with enough room to comfortably fit 4 people and all of your gear. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little extra wiggle room? But what really sets this tent apart is its innovative design. The Hempy Planet technology allows you to set up the tent in just a few minutes, even if you're a total camping novice. And the unique shape of the tent provides extra stability, so you won't have to stress about it collapsing in the middle of the night. Also, the Cave XL is designed for all seasons, so you can use it in your summer camping trips and winter expeditions alike, so you don't have to buy multiple tents for different weather conditions. Number 7. Garmin Montana. The Garmin Montana is so much more than just a GPS. It's a game changer when it comes to exploring the great outdoors. First off, let's talk about its rugged design. This thing is built to withstand even the toughest conditions, which is exactly what you need when you're out in the wilderness. Plus, it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if you accidentally drop it in water. But the real magic of the Garmin Montana is in its features. It's got a huge, easy-to-read touchscreen display that makes it a breeze to navigate. Plus, it's preloaded with all sorts of maps, including topographic and satellite imagery. And if that's not enough for you, you can even download additional maps and apps to customize your experience even further. What else would you need from a navigational device? Number 6. The Big Agnes 3-in-1 Sleeping Bags. You're out on a camping trip in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by beautiful sights and sounds of nature. The sun sets and it's time to hit the hay. But wait, do you really want to sleep in an uncomfortable and bulky sleeping bag? No way. That's where the Big Agnes 3-in-1 sleeping bag comes in. These sleeping bags are the ultimate camping gadget, allowing you to stay warm and cozy in any weather condition. They come with an outer shell, a detachable insulated quilt layer, and a cozy inner layer. You can mix and match the layers to suit your camping needs. Plus, the insulation is made from recycled materials, so you can rest easy knowing that you're doing your part for the environment. So whether you're camping in the heat of summer or braving the cold winter months, the Big Agnes 3-in-1 sleeping bags have got you covered. Number 5. Thermacell Backpacker. Now, we all know how pesky mosquitoes can be, especially during a peaceful camping trip. Swatting away bugs can be a real mood killer, but we've got the Thermacell Backpack. You see, this little gadget is a game changer when it comes to repelling those blood-sucking pests. It uses a simple but effective mechanism to keep mosquitoes at bay. All you have to do is attach a small butane canister to the device, and mosquitoes will be gone in no time. Meanwhile, the backpacker is also extremely lightweight and compact, making it the perfect addition to your camping gear. You won't even notice it's in your backpack until you need it. Pretty cool, right? Number 4. Covea Mini Stove. We've all been there, struggling to cook a hot meal or warm up some water for a coffee. Well, the Covea Mini Stove is the answer to that. This compact and portable stove is perfect for those who love to venture out into the great outdoors, but don't want to sacrifice the comforts of home-cooked meals. The Covea Mini Stove is so small that it can fit into the palm of your hand, making it easy to pack and carry in your backpack or camping gear. But don't be fooled by its size. The Covea Mini Stove packs a powerful punch with its efficient and reliable burner. It can boil water in just a matter of minutes, and can even handle larger pots and pans for cooking up your favorite campsite meals. Plus, the Covea Mini Stove is super easy to use. Simply attach it to a small propane canister, turn the knob to ignite the flame, and you're ready to cook up a storm. Number 3. Anchor Power Station. Running out of battery is one of the most common things on a camping trip, and having a powerful power standby is really useful. So here comes the Anchor Power Station. Now trust me, this thing is a beast when it comes to power. It can charge multiple devices at once, and it has enough juice to keep them going for days. And let's not forget about the built-in flashlight, which is perfect for those late-night bathroom runs or ghost stories around the campfire. Apart from that, this thing is also incredibly portable. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and take with you on your camping trip. And if you're worried about it getting damaged, don't be. It's built to withstand the elements, so even if you drop it or it gets wet, it'll still work like a charm. Number 2. The Tushy Travel Bidet. Do you love camping but hate the struggle of finding a decent bathroom? Do you dread the idea of using dirty and smelly porta potties? Well, not again. This is the ultimate solution to all your camping bathroom woes. The Tushy Travel Bidet. Yes, you heard it right. A bidet for camping. I know it might sound crazy, but trust me, it's a game changer. The Tushy Travel Bidet is a compact and portable gadget that you can easily bring with you on your camping trips. It's easy to use and requires no electricity, making it perfect for the great outdoors. Well, first of all, it's super convenient. You don't have to worry about finding a bathroom because you can use it anywhere. Plus, it's eco-friendly since it reduces the need for toilet paper. Other than these, the Tushy Travel Bidet is also incredibly hygienic. It's designed to clean your posterior thoroughly, leaving you feeling fresh and clean. And if you're worried about the water being too cold, don't be. You can easily fill it with warm water for a more comfortable experience. Number 1. OtterBox Venture. I know what you're thinking, isn't OtterBox known for phone cases? And while that may be true, these guys have really outdone themselves with this innovative cooler for camping. It's durable, waterproof, and can take a real beating. So if you're someone like me who tends to be a bit clumsy, this is the perfect cooler for you. But that's not even the best part. The OtterBox Venture comes with a ton of customizable accessories, so you can really make it your own. One of the coolest features is the cutting board accessory. You can easily attach it to the top of the Venture, and there you have a portable cutting board. Perfect for prepping food for dinner, or even just making sandwiches for lunch. Plus, it's super easy to clean, which is always a plus when you're out in the wilderness. But wait, there's more. The OtterBox Venture also has a built-in bottle opener. I mean, come on, what's a camping trip without a cold brewski? And with the Venture, you won't have to worry about forgetting the bottle opener at home. Overall, the OtterBox Venture is both practical and fun. Whether you're a daily camper or just enjoy the occasional weekend trip, this is definitely a product worth checking out. And that's it, guys. These are some of the most innovative and exciting products and gadgets that are going to make your camping experience unforgettable. So whether you're in the mood for a cozy night in or an adventurous hike, these products have got you covered. Anyway, do drop your views in the comments section below. We'll meet again in another episode, and until then, goodbye.